The heart is a muscular organ located at the chest cavity between two lungs. It has a pericardium which acts as shock absorber, and it lubricates the heart when it is in action of the pumping blood. So this part is considered the vena cava, which carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the right atrium. So the part where it is the body X is considered the right atrium, and the function of the right atrium is to receive deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body through the vena cava, and this part are considered to be tricuspid valve. Considered to be tricuspid valve. They prevent the backflow of blood from the right ventricle to the right atrium in this case. So the right ventricle, so this part is considered to be right ventricle. So the function of the right ventricle is to pump blood, which is being carried out by the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. So this is the pulmonary artery. So the function of the pulmonary artery is to carry deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. So on the right side of the heart, there is deoxygenated blood, or on the left side of the heart there is oxygenated blood. So this part is considered to be pulmonary vein. So Z is considered to be pulmonary vein, and the function of the pulmonary vein is to carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs. You know that the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs in order to release carbon dioxide. Then it is purified to be oxygenated blood. Then the pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. So the function of this left atrium is to receive oxygenated blood from the lungs to the pulmonary vein, while this is the left ventricle. So the left ventricle is considered to be it pumps blood. It pumps oxygenated blood, which is being carried out by the aorta. So aorta carries oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body, and this is considered to be bicuspid valve, which is located between on the left hand side of the heart. So bicuspid valve, this prevents the backflow of blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium. All these are considered to be valve tendons. These are considered to be valve tendons. Tendons. As you can see, the valve tendons, they are attached with the bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve to prevent these valves from entering into the atria. While this middle part is considered to be a septum. So this middle part is considered to be a septum. So the septum, it divides the heart into two parts in order to prevent the oxygenated blood from the left hand side and the deoxygenated blood from the right hand side from being missed. So the heart plays a critical role in our body, and these are the many functions of the parts of the heart. And lastly, you need to know that the left ventricle is more muscular and it carries blood at under high pressure than the right ventricle. Why? Because it pumps blood at a longer distance compared to the right ventricle.